Priya. Long time no see.
Yes, it's been a long time.
Yes, almost a year. Time really flies.
I know. You look great.
Thank you. You look the same as always.
That's so kind of you. How have you been?
I've been good, just busy with work.
Same here. Life is getting busier day by day.
True. It's hard to find free time now.
Yes, even weekends feel short.
I was really excited to meet you today.
Me too. I was waiting for this day.
This cafe looks nice, right?
Yes, it has a calm atmosphere.
Do you come here often?
Not really. This is my first time.
Same here. Good choice then.
Thank you. I wanted a quiet place to talk.
That's perfect for catching up.
Exactly. We have a lot to talk about.
So, what's your daily routine like?
I usually wake up early,
Around what time?
around 6 a.m.
That's impressive.
Then I go for a walk.
That's a healthy habit.
Yes, it keeps me active.
I should start that too.
You definitely should.
Do you exercise every day?
Not every day, but most days.
That's still good consistency.
What about you?
I wake up late and that's something I need.
That sounds stressful.
It really is sometimes.
Try to sleep early.
Yes, I need to fix my routine.
Small changes can make a big difference. How is your job going?
It's going fine, but busy.
What kind of work do you do?
I handle office projects.
Sounds interesting.
It is, but sometimes stressful.
Deadlines?
Yes, mostly deadlines.
I understand that feeling.
What about your job?
My job is also challenging.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I like learning new things.
That's great. Growth is important.
Exactly. It keeps me motivated.
Do you work long hours?
Sometimes, especially during busy days.
Same here.
But I try to balance work and life.
Next time, we'll plan better.